Dr. Deendayal, sir, I would like to ask this question. Gaslighting and imposter syndrome in individuals are mostly not spoken and not acknowledged in the society or in the medical practice we are there right now. So, do you agree with this, and how do you think we can overcome this?
Actually, I heard your presentation. It was good in terms of gaslighting. But there was something very interesting I learned just about a few days ago. I think it came in Beyond. And it talked that the Weber Dictionary has called gaslighting as the word of the year 2022. So they have gone on and they've seen that the number of people who've been checking on gaslighting is amazing. So I did a little more research and I went into the dictionary and I read. It's interesting to note that there are two definitions, not one, but two definitions. And I wanted it verbatim, so I wrote and I came. The definition number one is called gaslighting is an act or practice of grossly misleading someone, especially for one's own advantage. So here there is one, you are misleading another person for your own advantage. So if you really break it, and I've seen the examples, this apart from medical gaslighting, apart from professional gaslighting, what has been displayed, gaslighting at the department level 1:1 can be viewed, group to group can be viewed, and into this there is even fake news, trolling, and even conspiracy theories. That means anything where an individual is misleading or an organization is misleading or a group is misleading to get their own advantage is what is the definition one. The second definition is very interesting. Gaslighting is psychological manipulation of a person, usually over an extended period of time, that causes the victim to question the validity of their own thoughts, perception of reality, or memories, and typically lead to confusion, loss of confidence and self-esteem, the uncertainty of one's emotional and mental stability, and a deeper dependency on the perpetrator. That means you literally become dependent on the person who's been gaslighting you. This is absolutely malicious. That means when you compare it with the previous one, here you have a very typical malicious thought wherein you are psychologically manipulating the person, number one. And second important thing here is to gain something, either the dependence of the person or a material gain or some form of a gain.